Your first YouTube video is the biggest hurdle, right? The lights, the camera, the weird feeling of talking to no one. It's awkward. I get it and I know it. But here is the thing. Every YouTuber started exactly where you are. So in today's video, I'm sharing exactly how to create your first YouTube video without feeling awkward, without overthinking, and with a plan that works. Let's do this. And hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Marketing Your Niche. If you are new here, welcome. I help people and aspiring entrepreneurs find their niche and monetize it, and also start on YouTube or an online business. If you are looking to build a successful online presence, you are in the right place, my friend. So here you go. Step number 1. It's okay to feel awkward or to be awkward. Let's normalize the awkwardness. Nobody expects perfection on your first try, and you shouldn't either. In fact, some of the biggest YouTubers have their first awkward videos still up for the world to watch. Why? Because those videos are proof or progress. Take Marques Brownlee or MKBHD, for example, one of the top tech YouTubers. His first video was shot on a webcam. He was just a teenager talking about gadgets. But look where he is right now. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to start. No fancy equipment, no script, just raw passion. Those early videos are still up because they are a testament to progress and growth. This mindset shift will help you also overcome your initial fears and also focus on creating valuable content. Your first video is not a destination, it is just the starting line. Once you shift your mindset and also accept that you will improve with time, the fear starts to fade. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, right? Step number 2. Plan your video to avoid overwhelm. Planning your video is crucial to avoid overwhelm. You have to keep it simple from the beginning. Your first video doesn't need to have fancy effects or a cinematic script. Start small and start simple. Here is the formula that works every single time. You have to introduce yourself and also share what your channel is about and provide one valuable tip or share one valuable story that your audience could relate to. You have to solve a small problem for your audience or share something that will inspire them, and also end with a call to action. Ask your audience to like, to comment, and also to subscribe to your channel. For example, if you are starting a fitness channel, let's say, your first video could be as simple as, hey, I'm Sarah, I'm just making that up. I'm here to share easy workouts for busy moms. Today I will show you a 5-minute routine you can do anywhere. So see, it is simple, it is clear and to the point, no frills, just value. Having this structure in mind not only helps you stay on track, but also keeps your viewers engaged. Step number 3. Get comfortable on camera. Talking to a camera feels weird at first. It's just you and the lenses, but it gets easier with practice. But here is the trick. Pretend you are talking to your best friend. Imagine they are sitting right behind the lenses waiting for you to share a story. These tricks make your tone more conversational and less robotic. Before you hit the record button, try talking to yourself in the front of the mirror, for example, or recording a short voice memo on your phone. It will help you get used to your voice and energy. Practice makes perfect, right? So don't be afraid to experiment it. Remember, authenticity is key. Speak as you are having a casual conversation, not delivering a formal speech. And don't worry about stumbling over your words. Those little imperfections make you relatable. Step number 4. Set up your filming space. You don't need a fancy studio to start creating. In fact, some of the most successful creators started with just a phone and a clean background. Natural light works great. You could sit near the window with light hitting your face. A quiet room and a smartphone mic are just perfect. Keep your background clean and also uncluttered. Here is a simple setup to get you started. First up is lighting. Use natural light, as I said. You could sit near the window and the light could hit your face, avoiding having the light behind you as it's creating shadows. Audio. Use a quiet space. Your phone's microphone is good enough for now. The background. Keep it tidy and also clutter-free. Add a personal touch like a plant or poster or the bookshelf to make your space yours. My current setup is a small corner in my room. I have a desk, I have the picture behind me. You don't need expensive equipment to create quality videos. Simple, right? You don't need to break the bank to start creating high quality content. Step number 5. Record without overthinking. This is the big one. When it's time to record, you have to remember that it's okay to mess up. It's totally fine. You can edit out any mistakes later. Focus on the key points and don't stress about sounding perfect. Viewers like authenticity. It makes you relatable. Smile, take a deep breath, and speak naturally. If you pause or stumble, just keep going. You can always cut that part out later. You'll get better with every take. Don't overthink. Just have some fun while you are recording. Viewers appreciate actually authenticity over perfection, so you don't have to stress about every little detail. Remember, each step take practice. More you record, more comfortable you will become in front of the camera. Step number 6, edit your video like a pro. Once you record it, it's time to polish your video, right? So use beginner-friendly tools like iMovie, CapCut or Canva for video editing. Trim mistakes, add text or captions. You could engage your visuals also with text and transitions and choose background music. Speaking about video editor for beginners, let me know in the comments below if you want me to elaborate or to make a video about the first video editor I was using when I started my podcast, Marketing Your Niche, or when I start my YouTube channel. I'm still using that video and I keep it super simple to use. It is a user-friendly video editor, no watermarks, free forever, and it's very friendly to use. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video about it. And let's go back to our point. Let's say you stumble over the sentences, right? No problem, just cut that part and move on. You will look polished even if your takes were not perfect. The goal here is to create a smooth flow that keeps your audience hooked and engaged. Step number 7, upload and share your video. Now comes the exciting part. It is the moment you've been working toward. It is uploading your video. Don't get too caught up in making the perfect title, perfect description or perfect tags just yet. You better focus on sharing your content with the world. Use a title that is clear, is descriptive, and also use keywords that are super friendly. For example, 5-minute workouts for busy mom. It is much better than my first video. right? Doesn't tell you anything. As you grow, you will learn how to optimize titles for SEO and clicks, and for now, clarity is key. Ask your friends and family to watch and also to comment and share. Every view counts. We know that on YouTube when you are starting out. Engage with your audience and build a community. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. It is just have to be done. Starting is the hardest part, but trust me, it will get easier. Every upload is a step closer to your goals. So please share it in the comments below. What is your biggest fear about creating your first video? Let's tackle it together. Now that you are learning how to make your first YouTube video without feeling awkward and overwhelmed, it is time to take action. If you are wondering how to start, I put together a video here how I'm starting my YouTube channel from scratch. It is a video that you don't want to miss out, and it's also packed with valuable tips on how to get started without feeling overwhelmed and also awkward, and also is giving you the first steps to start on YouTube in the right way. Click on it next and let's grow together.